Do you want to make your first $1,000 with just one single sale? You don't need to sell thousands of products. If you want to know how, then watch this video till the end. To make $1,000, you are going to sell other companies or other people's product. Also, you need to have a right strategy to sell those products. That I will tell you in the step 2 and 3. So you need to collaborate with the companies that has an ecosystem. I will tell you about ecosystem in a very simple way, and those companies allow you to tap into their ecosystem so that you can make multiple commissions with just one product. Now, what is an ecosystem? Suppose there is a company, it has a one high ticket core offer, and on the other side company has other product also. It has upgrade, upsells, downsell, membership, software and other courses. And you are promoting that one core high ticket offer. You are getting commission from that product. If that company allows you to tap into their ecosystem, you are going to get commission from the other product of that company also, without doing anything, without spending even extra dime, without sending extra traffic. So if someone buy that high ticket offer from your link, then further in future if that person buys any other product from that company, you are going to get commission of that product, even you are sleeping or enjoying your life. This is how ecosystem works. With ecosystem you can make multiple commission with just one product. But you also need to have a right strategy to promote that product, and the right strategy is to build your hub on the internet. What you supposed to be a hub? I will make a detailed video on hub. Why do you need a hub? How can you make your own hub? Which platform do you need to build your hub? For now, understand it's like a place where you can provide value to your audience. You can connect with them. It's going to be your brand. You can build your community. You can build email list also. You can promote multiple products. You can create multiple streams of income. And all these things will be happening at just one place. Now I am going to show you my hub so that you will understand better. This is my hub. It's not complete yet. I am working on it. You can see here it's a free masterclass that I am providing to my audience. I am promoting multiple products. I am building email list here. I am creating my own community. It's going to be my brand. It's going to be my identity. When people come to my hub, they get to know more about me. They connect more with me. And if they find something valuable for them, they become a part of my community. After building your hub in step 3, you need to send traffic to your hub. For that, choose any social media platform, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, where you can easily find your ideal customer. Create targeted and valuable content on that platform. Attract your ideal customer with your content and send traffic to your hub. On your hub, you are already promoting multiple products. You also entered the ecosystem of those companies to make multiple commission with those companies. Now, if you want to make $100,000 per year even when you are sleeping or enjoying your life, then check out this video.